Thank you so much, Om Prakash ji. Thank you, Nilesh ji. It's such a pleasure to be with all of you. When I was first told that there are 100 people who attend at 5:30 a.m. every day, I was amazed. So, hats off to you guys. You should give yourself a quick pat on the back. Yeah, wonderful. Good morning. So, today's session is about mind management, something that is so different in my opinion. How many of us have attended something like this before? Well, you don't know what's going to happen to you. Okay. तो हम थोड़ा हिंदी इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे. Is that fine? एक मिक्स करेंगे, है ना? That's fine, right? Wonderful. So, आप सुबह उठे, that's dedication, that's in the mind, isn't it? Right? A lot of things we do day to day, a lot of it depends on the quality of your mind. Do you agree with me? Yeah, even happiness depends on the state of your mind, right? And we do so much for the body. We do yoga, we go to gym, we do exercises, but what do we do for the mind? हम dental hygiene करते हैं no matter what in the morning, but do we do mental hygiene? Hardly ever, है ना? ये जो blackboard है ना mind का, जिस पे इतने impressions होते हैं. We talk to so many people, we watch Netflix, उससे Prime, वहां से office laptop, we just keep moving from screen to screen. But इतने सारे जो impression आ गए हैं, we don't rub it off the slate, right? Do you agree with me so far? Yeah, wonderful. और आप फोन और लैपटॉप तो चार्ज करते ही हैं. Similarly, we neglect the mind, है ना? But जो भी आपको लाइफ में करना है, for us to be successful, all of y'all are, doing such wonderful work in entrepreneurship. So to do all of that, to manage your mind, emotions, and other people, it's so important that we learn our own mind first. Yeah? Okay. Do you want to experience something? Do you want to learn the tendencies of the mind? Okay. A quick experiment karte hain. 5 seconds, you can close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लें. Don't worry, कमरा वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. All right. You can think of anything, but don't think of 2 hot samosas with green chutney on top. ये तो allowed ही नहीं है. बाकी आप कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं. Full freedom. But don't think of 2 hot samosas on a silver paper plate with green chutney. Okay, open your eyes. Even आपको अगर समोसा पसंद नहीं होगा, so what happened to most of us? The mind goes there. There is a tendency of the mind. You know what this is? This is what you resist will persist. आप जो रोकाव लगाएंगे ना, दुगनी तेजी से आपका मन वहां जाएगा. It's kind of like that. आप सुबह उठ के सोचते हैं यार मुझे कोरोना के बारे में पढ़ना ही नहीं है आज. बट आप देखेंगे या तो आप ही गूगल कर लेंगे या कोई तो आपको फॉरवर्ड भेजेगा एंड मन चला ही जाता है. तो मन क्या एक छोटे बच्चे की तरह है. You tell a small child, hey, don't put your finger in the socket. What happens? The minute you turn, that kid is going to put a finger in the socket. The mind is like that, right? You want to learn another tendency of the mind very quickly? अभी भी कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं. It's called tick tock. Past future. यार समोसे खाए बड़े दिन हो गए. Oh, I have to order it today. It's a holiday for most of us. है ना? Mind already एक garden में घूम के आ ही जाता है, right? Even though we can't travel in these times, प्राचीन काल में हम travel किया करते थे in the pre-COVID era, but now the mind just travels everywhere. It doesn't require a passport. है ना? So this is another tendency of the mind that we should know about. और आजकल stress ये term इतना common हो गया. Do you agree with me? Yesterday I was going down in my building and 2 kids in first standard said, मुझे बहुत stress हो रहा है homework का. And that was shocking. Most of us have not even heard about this in our lives, right? I mean, when we were kids at least, we used to think it's such a good time. But उनको भी आजकल stress होता है. So I have a wonderful definition of stress for you. Would you like to know? Mathematical formula. And this is worth listening. So stress is equal to a lot of work, very less time and very less energy. क्या? बहुत सारा काम, कम टाइम, कम एनर्जी. अब कल को तो जैसे कि सतीश जी के बॉस थोड़ी बोलने वाले हैं कि आप घर पे बैठो सतीश, आपने बहुत काम किया है, मैं आपका काम करता हूं. Is that going to happen tomorrow? Never, he's saying. Never. तो काम तो कभी कम नहीं होने वाला. या मनीषा जी के बच्चे नहीं बोलेंगे मम्मी आप घर पे बैठो, पूरे महीने का खाना हम बनाएंगे. इम्पॉसिबल। काम तो आपका बढ़ते ही रहता है लाइफ में, राइट? और टाइम पे आता है। किसी के पास यहाँ पे 24 घंटे से ज्यादा है? एनीबडी हैज मोर देन 24 आवर्स? प्लीज गिव इट टू मी। नहीं है ना? So time is also limited with us. What's the only component we can change? It's our energy levels, right? The only thing we can change is our energy levels. Why is our energy so high on a Friday and so low on a Monday morning? And आप नोटिस करेंगे मंडे को आपको कोई भी काम एक्स्ट्रा आ जाए ना, you'll feel so stressed about it. But वही काम आपको कोई घर में दे दे फ्राइडे को, you'll say अरे हो जाएगा. Why? Your energy is so high. A lot of it depends on the energy, right? We get doubts when our energies go down. We're not able to do so many things, our energy goes down. And the minute the energy goes down, stress builds up. And my personal experience has been that the quickest and best way to regain your energy is meditation. And this is what I want to introduce you to. है ना? हम इतना, you do a lot of things, right, to de-stress. You talk to old friends, you watch movies, all that's wonderful, but is it sustainable? मूवी तो 3 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगा, फ्रेंड्स से तो आप आधे घंटे 1 घंटे के ऊपर बात करेंगे नहीं. But de-stress कैसे करें? What do we do something that's sustainable in life? And all of you know this, right? In the 21st century, most of us may have already tried meditation. Meditation is the new answer, isn't it? You don't need anything like, if you go to a gym, you need so many lifts to work out your body. But with meditation, your own mind, your own breath de-stresses every cell of your body without you having to do anything. Effortlessness. So, एक बोलते हैं योगा सूत्रास जो है पतंजलि का, he says at the realm of the body you need effort to lose weight or do something, है ना? आपको अगर बॉडी लेवल पे कुछ करना है, you need effort, but at the mind level it's effortlessness. Wonderful, right? And आप अगर मेडिटेशन का संस्कृत टर्म देखेंगे, इट्स कॉल्ड ध्यान. मतलब आपको ध्यान नहीं देना है. When I first heard it and experienced it, it was, such a relief to me. I used to think meditation is concentration, it's focus. No, meditation is deconcentration, letting go. And it's okay if thoughts come, if thoughts go. A lot of us may have tried some YouTube meditations or meditations with, other people, but the best way to meditate is to learn from a trained learner. But because we have such a short format today, I would like to conduct a very short meditation with all of you. Is that fine? Can we do something like that? क्योंकि theory बहुत हो गया, एक practical कर लेते हैं. Wonderful. So let's all settle down. You can remove your specs. This is an experiment and an experience for you. And you can tell me how you feel later. Yeah. So for the next 5 to 7 minutes, we'll keep our eyes closed, no matter what. Just observe what's happening and you can share with me. Yeah. Okay. What we'll do before we go into meditation is let's shake it off a little bit. कुछ तो restlessness होगा body में. Mind कहीं घूम के आया होगा. You can shake it off. 2 की 4 उंगलियां दिखनी चाहिए. 2 तरीके होते हैं करने के, एक ये और एक ये. Wonderful. And let go. You can feel some buzzing sensation. Nice. Let's keep our eyes closed. And as much as possible, back straight. Let's take a deep breath in. And breathe out. One more breath in. And let go. Let's become aware of the sounds in the environment. आसपास के वातावरण में जो भी साउंड्स है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Could be sounds of the birds, sound of the fan, accept all these sounds as they are. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. You're in harmony with these sounds. Let's become aware of our own body. Our body is a precious gift to us by nature. Let's honor and respect our own body. एक और लंबी गहरी श्वास भरें और जाने दें. Become aware of your right foot, right knee and thigh. Relax. Become aware of the left foot, left knee, and left thigh. Without much effort, become aware of your stomach, chest region, relax your right shoulder, the entire right hand, left shoulder, the entire left hand. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. Relax more and more. Relax your neck, back of the neck, forehead, nose and cheeks, your entire face. Become aware of the top of your head. Without much effort, become aware of the entire body. Let's take a deep breath in and let go. Relax more and more. Let's become aware of any thoughts in the mind. Whether good thoughts or not so good thoughts. It's completely fine. एक और सांस भरें और जाने दें. You're in harmony with your thoughts. Gently, let's become aware of our feelings, if any. अगर कोई मन में भावनाएं उठ रही हो, तो उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Whether good feelings or not so good feelings, this is also okay. एक और सांस भरें और जाने दें. Be in harmony with your feelings. Relax more and more. You are peace. You are love. And you are joy. Let's take another breath in and let go. Once again, become aware of feelings, if any. Become aware of thoughts, if any. Take another breath in and let go. Become aware of any sensations in the body. Let's take a deep breath in this time. Hold and let go. Once more, take another deep breath. Hold और जाने दें. Becoming aware of the body and surroundings. Whenever you feel complete, taking your own time, you may open your eyes. जब भी आपको पूर्णता का एहसास हो, धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Was it good? Very good. Yeah. Could you give your mind a break?
Awesome, awesome.
Much
It
needed
was
break.
really awesome. Awesome, great.
Yeah, much
It was
needed break.
very calming, Akhila. Thank you so much.
Wow,
Very
that's
calm.
so nice to hear people talk. I know आपको बात करने का ज़्यादा मन भी नहीं कर रहा होगा अभी. You're in that,
Yes.
state, but so nice to hear that. So this is a meditation that we conduct for beginners. And I had started meditating about 10 years back. So since you shared your experience, I want to quickly share my experience too. So I learned the Sudarshan Kriya some 10 years ago. I was a student then. And it helped me immensely because I was juggling with a double graduate degree and I had to manage some things at home. I was dancing at different performances. So this really helped me add value in my life, add time in my life. हम बोलते हैं ना हमें time ही नहीं है, सांस लेने की फुर्सत नहीं है. But when I took out 20 minutes a day, सांस लेने की फुर्सत जब ली, तब I was able to add so much time, energy, and happiness in my life. And throughout these 10 years, life throws so many situations at us. But I feel that in any situation, the Sudarshan Kriya that I learned has been my go-to solution. So if any of you want to learn more, I'm sure Nilesh ji will share my number. I'll also drop my number in the chat box. If you want to learn more about meditation or Sudarshan Kriya, you can definitely get in touch with me. I would love to talk with all of you. Thank you so much, everyone, for having me. If you want to ask something, or I leave the session open to Nilesh ji and the audience.
Thank you, Akhila. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akhila. It's wonderful, really very peaceful for all of us.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much for your
Thank
time.
you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much, Akhila
Thank you very
ji.
much.
Very,
Thank you, Akhila.
very good experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Have a wonderful, healthy day. Nilesh ji, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm
Jai
really
Gurudev.
obliged. I feel good to be with everyone so early in the morning. I already feel connected to you. Anything you want to say, Nilesh ji?
थैंक यू वेरी मच। मुझे आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आपने इतने अच्छे से प्रोग्राम लिया एंड सो अमेजिंग। योर मेडिटेशन टेक्निक एक्चुअली क्रिएट्स पीस फॉर एवरीवन। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं आपका रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, आप परमिट कर रहे हो?
जरूर, प्लीज।
I will
More than
share
happy.
your recording and I will share your number because people would like to know about you. They would like to be in touch with you. At the same time, हम आपको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आप भी रोज आइए इस प्रोग्राम में जब भी आपको समय मिले। ये सीरीज बहुत ही बेहतरीन बनते जा रहा है और कल हम सबसे बड़ा हमारा फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल से मैदान की ओर। और आप जितने लोग कॉल पे हैं उन्हें सभी से इनविटेशन है कि आप जितने ज्यादा लोगों को कल इनवाइट कर सकते हैं। कल हमारा मतलब सबसे बेहतरीन एक नया प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हो रहा है, मोबाइल से मैदान की ओर। थैंक यू अखिला, इट्स सो ऑसम। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओम प्रकाश जी, मैं आपका स्पेशल धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आपने इतने अच्छे गेस्ट को इनवाइट किया। आप वैसे भी जब भी आप रोज कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा सोचते रहते हो कि आज मैं और अच्छा क्या करूं, तो आज आपने और एक अच्छा काम कर दिया।
Great.
आपका दिल ही बड़ा है, इसीलिए सब कुछ अच्छा होता है आपके साथ।
Great. Another one more thing. I spoke to Managing Director of LIC of India. He also told that he will join. Maybe I will try, but he told. And apart from this, Anand Mahindra and Ratan Tata and this Mukesh Ambani, we are possibilities there to bring to our awesome group. We are getting in touch and we'll update you later. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, great.
हमारे पास बहुत सारे आज जैसे अखिला जी जो एक सेलिब्रिटी आए थे और कई सारे सेलिब्रिटी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटी तो सुनने के लिए भी आते हैं आपके जैसे लोग, तो आप भी सेलिब्रिटी हो बहुत बड़े, जो सुनता है वही सेलिब्रिटी है आज की दुनिया में। थैंक यू वेरी मच। कल की तैयारी में लगते हैं। कल सब लोग इनवाइट करेंगे काफी सारे लोगों को।
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you.
Thank you.